you don't have the right tool and technology, no matter how hard you try, be you will be facing risk, you'll be facing failures. I'll give you a very succinct example, and this is from one of our front desk team members who is also a medical assistant. This person is still with the clinic and actually a super performer. He has been one of the best performers. And one of the calls I listened that he attended during the very first few weeks is the patient is calling and asking, and we do these follow-up calls after a patient has visited our clinic. Next day we call and we ask how the patient is doing. So this employee calls the patient, "How are you doing, ma'am?" And the patient says, "I'm not doing well." And the employee says, "Thank you for letting us know. We appreciate that feedback. We'll see you soon." Unless you work in the urgent care business, you don't really probably understand from the very simplicity of the call how destructive this call was. When a patient is calling and saying, "I'm not doing well," the immediate response should really be, "Can we see you soon? Can we do something for you? Can we book you another appointment?" And unless an owner is aware of this situation, and unless an owner has access to this kind of calls, unless the owner, instead of being punitive, can engage with the employee to train, to make situation better and improve upon it, these calls will be your killer or cause for your failure for your clinic. And having a tool like TeleCloud enabled me to listen to the call almost in a live manner. Listening to the calls gave us the opportunity to refine and refine and refine to the point where we started to write the script and record on TeleCloud calls. How should a call be handled? How should an immigration physical call be handled? How should a follow-up call be handled? How should a first-time patient calling call should be handled? And that was all possible because of the tool we have.